Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hello, I'm Christie.
We are going to make stuffed bell peppers. We need 250 grams lean chicken minced, 4 cloves garlic minced, 1 cup cooked mixed vegetables, 1.5 cup cooked long grain rice, 10 pieces bell peppers, any color, chili pepper flakes, white pepper, salt, 2 tablespoons olive oil, more for drizzling, 2 cups grated quick melt cheese, knife and cutting board, pan, turner, and a baking pan. Cut the rim of the stem. Take off the seeds of bell peppers. Cut the bell peppers in half and take all the seeds out. Remove all the seeds with your hands or with a paper towel. This is how it looks like. In a hot pan, put your olive oil. Sauté garlic. This recipe was inspired by Ray Drummond, one of the best Food Network chefs and the author of The Pioneer Woman. Please see her bio, written in the description below. Add the minced chicken, add salt and pepper, Saute your minced chicken in a low-medium heat for 15 minutes or until your chicken lost its own moisture. Add your cooked rice and mixed veggies. Mixed it. Add your chili pepper flakes. Add quick melt cheese or any of your favorite cheese. Preheat your oven. Put your stuffings on your bell peppers. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Add cheese on top. Drizzle some olive oil. And add chili pepper flakes on top. baked it for 20 minutes or until the cheese melts. There you have it, my stuffed bell peppers, my kind of easy and complete meal.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit my Jumbo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.